the authority
which are useful for training.
मेरी फैमिली वालों, आज का ब्लॉग बहुत ख़तरनाक होने वाला है क्योंकि आज जहाज़ों के बारे में सब कुछ आपको बताने वाला हूँ। पहले आपको थोड़े से जहाज़ दिखा दूँगा अंदर बैठकर, और जो भी है जहाज़ों का जो सिस्टम है जहाज़ दिखा दूँगा। बहुत अच्छा ब्लॉग होने वाला है, लास्ट तक मेरे ब्लॉग में बने रहिएगा। तो सारे यहाँ पे खड़े हैं, अभी फ्लाइंग नहीं हो रही है तो मैं आपको आराम से दिखाऊंगा। पंखड़ी तेरी धार है इसमें भाई। अपने को अंदर का सिस्टम पता नहीं, बस दिखा सकता हूँ आपको। मुझे पता नहीं है हैंडल पैंडल जो भी है सिस्टम अंदर का, छेड़छाड़ नहीं करनी है फालतू में। दोनों एक साथ घूम रहे हैं देखो। अभी तो इस टाइम खड़ा है जहाज़, आगे चल के दिखाऊंगा सारा कुछ उड़ते हुए और लैंड करते हुए। अब जो है मैंने आपको ये जहाज़ दिखा दिए, जो भी बताया जहाज़ के बारे में। अब जो हमारे पायलट है तेजस सर और निखिल सर, तो वो बताएंगे आपको, जो स्टूडेंट है वो भी बताएगा, ठीक है। जो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मेरी
Aviation is a DGCA approved flying school established in 1995 and situated in Baramati, Pune. If we talk about the weather at Baramati is located in a rain shadow area which helps us to conduct the flying training activities around the year. Till now we have flown for more than 1 lakh flying hours and have trained thousands of pilots and engineers placed in the leading airlines across the world.
The fleet of our aircrafts is we have Cessna 172, 152, and we also have a multi-engine which is a P68C. The reason why we chose the Cessna 172 for our training over here, because they are the most stable aircrafts, and they have the highest endurance, which are useful for training purposes. And the engine is the India Oscar 360 Lima to Alpha, which is a horizontally opposed engine and which also has an air-cooled system along with a propeller. We have a beautiful team of engineers who take care of the instrument errors and so that we can go on to our next flight in a swift manner and we can take off as soon as possible for our next flight.
The various aspects that urged me to pursue aviation as a pilot are the passion and the love for the industry, the power, the control that a pilot has over the massive, titanic, powerful engines, the authority, the respect, all of this coming with a lot of responsibility, and lastly, an enviable smart uniform that accentuates one's personality. We have an inflow of aspiring pilots from all over the country, resulting in exchange of various cultures, promoting a lot of interaction and communication, not only developing one as a skilled pilot, but also a person as a whole. We have a team of highly skilled and experienced instructors, a very efficient maintenance team that's always on the run, and lastly, a strategic location making this a rain shadow region, helping us fly extensively even during this time of the year. A pointer that I would like to give aspiring pilots is that you need to have the urge of learning new every day. Learning never stops here. It's because this industry never stops teaching. Be dedicated, be passionate, love what you're doing, and success would be a reality one day.
Our aim is to produce the optimum blend of aircraft manipulative skills, academic application, leadership, and command character, all combined with a competent knowledge of business and aviation management. At Carver Aviation, we have chosen airmanship as our motto to continually remind us that we must reach an understanding of each element in the aviation environment, namely in airmanship, with a continuous emphasis on flight safety. We offer a variety of courses including commercial pilot license, private pilot license, aircraft maintenance engineering, instrument rating, multi-engine rating, and recency conversion. See you soon in the cockpit.
यहीं पे मैं अपने ब्लॉग को एंड करता हूँ और इससे भी अच्छे अच्छे ब्लॉग यहाँ के आते रहेंगे। चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, जिन्होंने कर रखा है उनके लिए लव यू टू मेरी फैमिली वालों। तो कैसा लगा ब्लॉग तो मुझे कमेंट में जरूर